A very warm welcome to you indeed. Welcome to this new tutorial where we are going to be learning how to use Mindbody. Mindbody is the #1 software fitness and wellness business that helps you to basically take care of your mind and your body all within one website. To get to Mindbody, you simply type mindbodyonline.com, and I'll be leaving the link to that in the description of this video. And once you get here, you'll notice we have the staff login here, and then we have business owners, and we have class and appointments. So you click on class and appointments. Then you'll come down here and click on browse services. It will then take you to this site where you are able now to explore a few of the things that are available on Mindbody. You notice we have different things and their prices are given. But in summary, we have the top fitness categories in terms of yoga, pilates, ballet, dance, circuit training, HIIT, bootcamp, and meditation. And then another good thing with Mindbody Online is that you can search for those that are near you. You notice here we have locations near you, so you can explore all this, and you can also download the app, the Mindbody app, which now you are able to get all this in your app. So generally, the Mindbody deals in 3 areas, that is fitness, wellness, and beauty. So to log in or to create an account, you come to the top here, you sign up if you don't have an account. So we are going to sign up. Then you put your details here. You put your details here, that is the name, email, and password, and then your location, and then you click on create account. You will then go back to your email to verify your email. And now you notice we are now logged in, and this is their homepage. Here we have the bookings. You notice we have interval training for Liberty. And then if you scroll down, you notice we have offers down here, last minute fitness offers and their prices and their location. And it's so nice that with Mindbody, you also get the location of the place from your location. That is like this one for Vinyasa Yoga, it's 9.4 miles from my location. The second one, that is for bootcamp for Tuesday at PNA, it's 5.2 miles from my location. So that's another beautiful thing with Mindbody. You're able to plan depending on your location. So you can also explore deals down here and all these, and as we said, the top fitness categories are shown down here. So to now search what you need, you simply come to the top here and you search for anything. Here you type what you are searching. Here you type your location. So let me come to search for anything. You notice I have explore Mindbody, fitness, beauty, or wellness. Let me start with fitness. I'll click on fitness. And then down on this other side, for location, I'll choose my location. If I want the current location, I'll click on this one, but I want to just put my location manually here. So I'll put Los Angeles, USA here. So I'll click on that. And then down here, you notice we have these categories. So am I looking for fitness in terms of studios or instructors or classes? If I want classes, I click on classes here. And then it gives me the classes. And in terms of those classes, you notice down here, we have the classes here, GTS, Torrents at $30. We have Note Studio at $30. And we have all these others that are available. You notice they are there, like Tennis Mechanic Academy. It's all over here. So I can now click on any and view the details. But in terms of classes, I can change the date for my class. Today being a Tuesday, I can select a class for tomorrow. So I'll select the date here. And then I'll click on Wednesday or Thursday or Friday, whichever day I would need. Let me click for Thursday. So you notice the search here changes. You notice now we have #1 here for floor burn yoga. And then we have Politrix and then Politrix LA2. So I have just changed the date. Then that is Wednesday. I can change the time. At what time? I want it early in the morning. You see here, anytime early in the morning, afternoon, and evening. I want it early in the morning. So I see where I can go early in the morning. So you notice again, our search has changed depending on the ones that are available early in the morning. And then I want to change the distance. I don't want to walk very far or drive very far from my place. So I can either go with auto, which is set at 25 miles from my location, 1 mile, 5 miles, and all this. So let me use the one for 15 miles from my location. I'll click on that. And you now notice part of the things I had gotten in the beginning were within that range. Like this one for Flowbird is actually less than 1 mile from my location. You notice it's 0.4 miles. And then the second one here, Poltrix, 0.8 miles, all the way down. And then I can even go to the next pages and all that. So now, assume I am satisfied with this one, in terms of location, in terms of charges, I'm okay with it. So I'll just click on it. And the good thing again with Mindbody is that you can see reviews. You notice like this one has 129 reviews. So I can also view those well. So let me say I want to join the yoga flow band. The first one here, I just click on it once. And you notice now it opens it up to give me all the details that I need. So if I scroll down here, you notice we have the one class for $30. I can click on book now. And the details I have selected are already here. Tuesday, June 27th. By the time here for their early morning, it is 6 to 7. Then down here, we get the description about the class. Here, flow band is a mindful variation of our signature flow class, giving us all the details. And then if you scroll further down, we have the location here for the map. And then we have the phone number given here, although for this one, they don't have the phone number, but we have the physical location. That is the 60 East 2nd Street, Los Angeles, CA. Then the number is given there. And then down here, we have the map. And when we come to the customer reviews down here, you notice we have the reviews in terms of stars, 5 stars. 5 stars that were given 100%. Nobody has rated this service below 5 star. So notice 5 star at 100%. The rest are at 0%. Then we can see what those clients said. You notice we have like this one, Flowband with Robert, love the classes, sweat yoga, the teachers are chill, and the class are super sweaty. So you get it. So you notice we have all these details. So if this is the class I want, I simply come to this other side here and click on book now. Then it will bring me to this site where now I can do my checkout, where I can select a pricing option, and then I can pick my payment method, and then I can add a new card if I need to, and then after that, then my class will be booked. So that is how you can book for that. So let me show you another thing you can do with Mindbody. So we are back to our first page. Now, if I want to search something specific, I'll simply come here and then type what I want, then change my location here. So let me type there, here. Then you notice here we have hair salon, haircut, and all this. So I want a hair salon. I'll click on that. Then I can change my location here. So in this case, I'll type in Miami, Florida, USA. So I'll click on that. And there we have it. We have best hair salon classes in Miami. I can look for studios. I can look for instructors. So here are the details. We have this one, alignment and flow for $15. And then we have the second one here again, which is the same. So I can now decide to look for instructors. Instead of classes, I can look for instructors. So if I click on instructors to see if we have any for hair salon. So you notice we have one here called Anastasia. So if now I want to know about Anastasia, I click on her profile and there we have it. So you notice we have her details here. We have the dates here. And then we have all these reformer pirates, tone and stretch. We have the time here. And then we can book her. And then we have the instructor's studio down here. So if I want to book again, I'll just click on this. But if I want a specific booking, I'll click maybe on Friday. I'll click on that. Then I can book one of them, maybe this one, 7 a.m. or 8:05. Then I'll click on book now. And just like we did in the other one, We just put our details, payment details, and it's now preparing the checkout. And then we can now select our payment options here, and then we are booked for that. So that is how you use Mindbody to make your life better. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and continue watching more of our videos.